Hello, beautiful soul. So, I've spoken about this before that there's a myth that a lot of people believe that when they first get drawn to sound healing and they want to become a sound healer, that becoming a sound healer just means that you buy a lot of instruments and that you watch some YouTube videos and then you're going to go out and work on people and do these sound baths or sound healing events or even private sound baths. But sound is extremely powerful. It's the most powerful healing modality out there. It works with the foundations of natural law. And if you don't know a lot about sound and how it works first, then your sound baths, your sound healing journeys, they will really reflect that you don't have the knowledge and that perhaps you haven't worked on your field in the way that you know how sound or light and frequency work. But sound is really powerful. It's the most powerful healing modality out there, in my opinion. And it can release a lot of things that people didn't even know they were holding on to. But it can also create imbalance if the person working with the sound, they don't have a real foundational mastery and they don't have the structure. And so most people skip this actual foundation entirely and they go right to the instruments, which I can completely understand because the instruments are amazing. It's so fun to feel into and hear these different sounds that different instruments can make and playing with them. It's really a joy to do this. And it can help make us feel completely relaxed when we do play the instruments. So most people skip the actual foundation entirely. They just listen to, oh, just play intuitively. Oh, I've worked on myself and, I can handle the sound. But they really don't understand what sound is, what working with light and frequency is, and what the sound can do. And this is the gap that I built Feel the Sound to close. And this is a cohort that I've created, and it's starting in this September. So if you feel like you've really been drawn to becoming a sound healer, this is actually a process for a 30-day walk into becoming a sound healer because we learn how to master our space. We learn all about the workings of sound, working with light and frequency. We build our strong frequency field. We do these exercises that help build in this energetic work that happens just when you walk into any room, you sit next to someone, or they come into your healing space, you've already got them covered. So if you feel drawn to this work of sound healing, whether it's to heal yourself or to heal others, whether you're a beginner or you may have been out there playing for a little while, I would love for you to learn more. And there's a link down below. Please click it, see if it resonates for you, ask any questions you like, and perhaps I'll see you on the other side.